Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will be talking about how you can code every day without feeling tired and how to do so effectively so you can create the products that you want to do. Programming is a hard skill. What that means is you have to do it as consistently as possible to get better at it and improve. If you don't do that, you will stay stagnant. Like the gym, you have to go as much as possible in order to see higher results than other people. And if you compare two people, right? Let's say someone that codes 3 days a week but codes for 20 hours versus the guy that codes every day and codes for 20 hours the entire week. The guy that codes every day is gonna get more output, more so than the person 3 days a week. I know this because this was me. For about 6 months, I coded maybe every 2 or 3 days and I didn't see any results. Maybe that was because I was a new coder, but as soon as I started coding every day for a couple of hours, I saw significant growth. And when I mean by significant, I mean I started to create apps. I started to see a lot of growth simply because it was in my daily life. I didn't change anything about my routine. All I did was do it daily, every day. Now you may be asking, how did I do this? It's actually quite simple. If you don't code every day, schedule it in. It could be 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes. It doesn't matter. But if you can code every day, what will happen is you'll begin to build momentum. So let's take a kid, right? Like the kid wants to learn to ride a bicycle. If he does it inconsistently, like some days, he's not gonna see the results of learning the bike. And the reason why I emphasize coding every day is because it builds momentum. What I mean by momentum is that when you are coding every day, the last day builds on top of the last one. So today I coded, right? Tomorrow when I code, it'll build on yesterday's code because it was right there yesterday. So I know exactly what I have to do the next day and then the next day. So I'm building this freaking building that's going to eventually be the thing that I want it to be. But if you are not doing it every day, you're putting a Lego piece here, you're putting a piece here, and you don't really know what you're building because you're not building consistently and you can't really shape what you want to shape. But when you do it every day, what you notice is this like beautiful building. You have to think of consistency and momentum in this way. Momentum is so important in coding and in almost any skill that you want to learn. Now, with that out of the way, what you want to do to build this daily habit is three things. The first is to set a schedule. When and what are you going to do in that time? As I said earlier, it could be 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but what will it be? Are you going to work on functions? Are you going to read? Pick what and when you're going to do something, and I promise you, your mind will take care of the rest and you're just going to show up. Okay? So the first thing is to schedule. The next is to sit down and do it. So maybe it's 9 to 10 a.m. and you said you're going to work on functions that day. Sit down and code. Sit down and do the work. Remove your distractions. Just sit and do the work. I'm emphasizing this because I didn't do this and I know that a lot of people just don't notice that. I believe in you though. But sit and do the work. I promise you it's harder than you think, but just do the work, okay? That's the key thing here. Now the last one's not really like the rest, but after you've scheduled and after you've done the task, the final thing that you want to do is reward yourself. This is more scientific, but by rewarding yourself, I mean maybe take a break, maybe watch a couple of YouTube videos, reward yourself with some chocolate or a tasty meal. When you reward yourself, I believe it's called like a positive feedback loop. And what happens is because you've rewarded yourself for your actions, you will want to do that action again. Look at a dog, right? When you give them a treat for their actions, they do that action again. That's really it, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My name is Nazar. If you want to contact me, I'll leave my links in the description down below, and I'll see you in the next video.